class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SSD teacher. In the last class, we had discussed about the town planning, the extent, town planning and citadel. And also we had discussed about the lower town, the city life. Okay, and today we are going to start our new topic, that is the name of topic is village life, art and craft and trade. These are the three topics which we will discuss today. Okay, so let us open your book. Now, village life. Village people grew crops and reared animals. Means in this time, in this period, people of village, they used to, what they used to do? They used to grew crops, and also side by side they used to rear animals also. The farmers and herders living in the villages. The farmers, who do the work of agriculture, who used to grow crops, they especially used to live in village. And also the herders, means charwahe जो हैं, they also used to live in villages. Supplied food to people living in the towns, and these farmers or the people who used to reside or live in village area, and they grew crops, they almost or they always supplied their food to the people who lives in a town area. Archaeological remains of plants show that the Harappans grew wheat, and also archaeological they saw the remains of plants. After that, they come to know that these people used to grow some special crops like wheat. Especially we are talking about Harappan. They used to grow wheat, pulses, peas, barley, rice, sesame, linseed, mustard, banana, melon and pomegranate. These are the things which they used to grow in their field. A toy model of a block which has been found indicates that, means the model of, जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे कि हल चलाते हुए हल भी मिला है, जैसे मिट्टी का उन्होंने टॉय के रूप में बना करके छोड़ा था, ये भी प्रूफ मिला है. इंडिकेट्स दैट, ये क्या शो करता, व्हाट इट शो, इट शोज दैट people used plows to farm that land. They used हल यूज करते थे लैंड को जोतने में. ठीक. The Harappans reared sheep and they also used to rear sheep, cattle, goats and buffaloes. These animals may have been used for milk and meat, and these animals are also used for getting, or you can say they get milk as well as meat from these animals. Okay, now comes towards next topic, that is art and crafts. Okay, pottery making had reached an advanced stage. Now they started making pottery, and the making of pottery become very advanced स्टेज, मीन्स वो बहुत एडवांस स्टेज पे पहुंच चुका था. द पोट्री ऑफ दिस कल्चर वाज व्हील मेड, एंड हाउ दे यूज टू मेक देयर पोट्री with the help of a wheel, and adorned with a variety of natural, and also they used to decorate these pottery or pot with variety of natural, geometric and also non-geometric motifs means you can say examples, नमूने शो करते थे. Numerous seals have been found from Harappan sites, and also these archaeologists they were able to find out so many seals in near the side of sites of Harappa. Most of them are made of terracotta, and these seals are made of uh, terracotta and are square or rectangular in shape. Its size, sometimes it may be in a rectangular shape, and sometimes they used to make it in the shape of a square. The seals usually have a short inscription accompanied by a religious character or some animal like a tiger, goat or elephant. And also the seals usually what they do have a short inscription. उसका short inscription होता था, जैसे कि किससे जुड़ा होता था, by a religious character, उससे किससे related था, by character, religious character, or some animals like tiger, a goat or elephant. Harappans also excelled in making. They are very expert, or you can say उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाले in making statues in stone. They were also very expert in making statue of stone. A large number of terracotta, animal and human figurines. Figurines means you can say मूर्तियाँ, मूर्तियों को बनाने में उनके पास कला थी, have been found from all over Indus Valley. These were the qualities which were found in the Indus Valley. They also made terracotta toy cards, and also they also used to made terracotta toys. कैसे? By toy cards, rattles. Rattle means cart, आप जान रहे हैं. Rattle means झुनझुने जो बजते हैं. Whistles जो बजाते हैं in the form of birds. And also they used to made all these in the form of birds, dice and cakes. Harappans were also aware of metals, including they were also know about metals, and which metals they know, they including copper, bronze, gold and silver. They knows about all these metals. Copper and bronze were mainly used to make tools, and with the help of copper and bronze they used to prepare what tools as well as weapons. औजार और हथियार बनाने के काम में लाते थे. Weapons, vessels and ornaments. And also not only this, they not only try to make copper this weapons and tools, but also they made ornaments as well as vessels. जो बर्तन भी बनाते थे, ornaments भी बनाते थे. However, gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels only, and they used gold and silver for only few purposes. Especially they make or they used gold and silver for making ornaments and vessels. क्ले स्पिंडल्स, इसको आप क्या होता है, मिट्टी की धूरी इसको कहते हैं. फाउंड ड्यूरिंग एक्सकेवेशंस इंडिकेट दैट यार्न वाज स्पन. इसको देख करके फाइंड आउट किया गया, लोगों ने अनुमान लगाया कि उस समय में क्या होता था, यार्न स्पन किया जाता था, यानी कपड़े की बुनाई होती थी. पीपल वोर क्लोथ्स and that were made of cotton and wool, and through this we come to know that the early people, the you can they people they used to wear clothes also, and clothes were made up of mainly woolen as well as cotton. The discovery of needles and buttons, needles, sui and buttons, you put in shirt na, that suggests that people stitches clothes when they got needle as well as they got buttons. They, after getting all these, they come to know that people used to stitches clothes also. इतना कुछ प्रूफ मिलने के बाद उनको लगा कि लोग कपड़े की भी सिलाई करते थे. Now third one, that is trade. Okay, now व्यापार. The Harappans had good relations with their neighboring civilization. Harappans were also, they tried to be friendly or friend with the other civilization also. So they have a good friendship or good relations with other civilizations. They had a flourishing internal as well external trade. Means they were flowing, they were flourishing. their trade, उनका ट्रेड जो था बहुत फल फूल रहा था, विस्तार हो रहा था. इंटरनल एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड. Means trade were flourishing, both trade externally their trade were flourishing, and also internally and externally both trades were flourishing. Occurrence of Harappan artifacts, कलाकृतियाँ. Okay, artifacts means कलाकृतियाँ. Occurrence of Harappan artifacts found outside the Harappan region and of foreign objects within the region points towards the existence of long distance trade. And also here occurrence of जो किसकी उपस्थिति, जो हड़प्पन कलाकृतियाँ थी उसकी उपस्थिति भी क्या दर्ज कराती हैं कि इसका व्यापार बाहर भी होता था. एंड लॉन्ग existence of long trade, silver, tin, gold, copper and precious metals were brought from outside, and they give their things to them and they bring other things from outside. Like what they bring? Silver, tin, gold, copper and precious metals. Perhaps from Persia. What from where they brought some things? Perhaps from Persia, present day Iran. Maybe they brought all these things from these countries. Which are these countries? Like present day Iran, Mesopotamia, present day Iraq, Afghanistan and Oman. Discovery of Mesopotamian cylindrical seals from Harappan cities and Harappan seals from the cities of ancient Mesopotamia points towards trading links with Mesopotamia. And also these proves that they had good relations or trade relations with Mesopotamia. Gold could have come from present day Karnataka. They imagine that gold may be come from present day Karnataka, and semi precious stones from present day Gujarat. And semi precious जो कम थोड़े से कम कीमत वाले precious they used to brought all these from Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Dockyard excavated at Lothal. Dockyard means where ships are loading and unloading. A place where ships load, unload and get repaired. Okay. Gives a clear link of the overseas trade. The presence of that is a dockyard. The presence of dockyard indicates that they do trade with the or trade link with the or of the overseas. Means sea यानी sea से ट्रेड होता था, बाहर के देशों के साथ भी ट्रेड व्यापार होता Ah, okay. So today only this much. In next video we will study about script and also Harappan cities in Gujarat and decline of the civilization. These were the topics which we will discuss tomorrow. So today only this much. Thank you, beta.